Here we go. Final laps at Watkins Glen in the Xfinity race. Hopefully this won't be boring for you guys. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Well, that just messed up Brian Scott. Okay, good thing Ty Dillon didn't make a stupid move that time. Whoa! Jeez Louise, Chase. Hang on to it, buddy. Holy crap. Holy moly. I think Brad has it. Or no, Logano, sorry. Good grief. This has been boring. Pretty much this whole doggone race. I think the top three are just going to finish the way they are. Oh, there's Borsed. Penske might win the Glen this week. Or tomorrow, I should say. Jeez Louise. Ooh. Jeez. I think Logano has it. Brad's gonna try and push it though. I don't think he's gonna get it though. Damn it. Why do Cup regulars always win? I want Xfinity regular to win races for once. Good grief. Look at that crap. Dang it! Poo poo! Why?